Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nothing earbuds, and these are a new company, and this is the first product that come. It's called Nothing earbuds or Ear One, and basically we're just going to be unboxing it. As you can see, the box is here. It shows not much on it, and it has a little tab here that says open. So let's just open that. Basically a little sticky tape, and we will remove this plastic wrapping and have a quick look to see what they look inside. Just plastic random wrapping, nothing important there. And then here we have a red dot, which we will pull. Not the easiest unboxing I've done. Okay, there. You gotta break the box, which is kind of sad because it's a kind of a cool looking box. But it has a whole wrapping around, and now we can remove the outer layer from the inside. Nothing inside, no pun intended. And then we have this silver box, which we're going to open. It looks like a box inside a box, half a box, nothing in there. And here we can see the headphones. Now we pull these out, and we are going to remove this from the side. And in here we can see there's some something in here. So let's remove this. We have black cardboard, very nicely designed. Ear One safety information. There's how to pair them. There's also some safety stuff, which is always there. And on the sides here we have cable, and then we have ear plugs. So the cable is type C, so let's open it. Here we can see there's a type C cable, USB type C to USB type A. Once again, I wish it was type C to type C because that's all I use most of the time, but that's cool that they included a cable. It's kind of a nice, not too long cable, maybe 30 centimeters, like a foot. And then we have the earplugs here on the side. We have S and L, and I'm guessing the ones on the earbuds are M, so that's good to have. And then we have the earbuds, which are here. Now let's remove the plastic. We can put this on the side. And we have our earbuds. As you can see, the case has a little magnet, which you can actually see the magnet here. And these are how the earbuds are in the box. So we got them here. The case actually has some charge. You may have seen the green light go there. So let's put them in. Green goes on. And let's put the other one. And you'll notice there's a red dot and a red dot. So basically that's how you know how they go. And that would be the case. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Nothing Ear One. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions about the earbuds. I'll be making more videos on it. Bye.